Have you ever been playing outside and had a little bit of trouble with a friend of yours who had a little bit of blood, like maybe on his lip or something? So that happened to this honey bunny while mommy, who normally would take care of boo-boos, was away at the store and, just dad was hanging out. And so she's going to tell you a little bit about it, and then we're going to tell you guys some solutions, something that you can do that will make you feel super, super empowered. And we're going to share a recipe with you about what to have on hand so that you can be the hero of your neighborhood too. Okay, tell us what happened.
So me and my friends, including Zenon, was playing with the big dog, and she was super excited to see all of us. And then I went up and pat the dog, and then Chance jumped up and bit the. And then I got a washcloth, gave it to him. He dabbed his lip. Then I got some Frankincense and put it on his finger to put on his lip.
Awesome.
I didn't actually put it directly on the lip because then the blood would get inside of it.
So smart. Okay, so Hunny-Bunny just gave you guys a tip. So did you guys notice that this roller bottle here, the roller top, it takes the liquid, especially when it's down this way, it takes the liquid and allows just a little bit to come out on your finger. And that's usually the safest way to be able to apply it to somebody's, bloody spot or whatever. Because if you put it directly over the bloody spot, there's a chance that some of that blood could get into the whole bottle. Okay, so now here's the thing. Sometimes people are worried about sharing bacteria, and I know during these times, during the pandemic and things like that, people are trying to be extra careful about sharing and essential oils. And while it is good for all of us to have separate essential oils, and by the way, we have at least 5 or 6 of these in our house, but um, but the in general, most of the essential oils have antibacterial properties, so we don't have to worry about transferring germs or bacteria. But transference is a real thing. Like if you have mashed potatoes on your finger and you rub a roller bottle over mashed potatoes are going to get inside your bottle. So you guys gotta be careful. You guys gotta be careful what all you're putting it on. Choose a clean finger, okay? Not one that's all muddy or mashed potatoey or bloody. Okay. All right, so here is the recipe that you may be able to save your bloody lipped friends with. Okay, so here it is. We have
screenshot it.
Yes, if you'd like to do a little screenshot, I'll hold it here for a minute, and we'll show it once at the end as well. So all of you guys who are watching, I'm assuming that you already have some awesome essential oils around your home, but that maybe you yourself as a kid, somewhere between age 6 to 13 or 14, maybe you don't actually have the experience of making your own remedies. And so that's why we love to encourage you and give you some tools and recipes to be able to do that. So Ari is going to take this and we're going to start putting some frankincense in there. You guys see
6.
We're doing 6 drops. Actually, wait, this is only the 5 ml. Do you guys see the difference? We have the 5 ml and the 10 ml. So the 10 milliliter bottle, we would do 6 drops of each, making 12 drops total. But since we're doing the 5 ml, we're only doing half of it for 3 drops of each. Yeah. So as she's starting to put in those 3 drops in there, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Frank. So Frank and I have been friends for a long time. We have Frank around for a bunch of different problems. We like that he helps us think really clear. He helps us. Uh-oh, are you drippy dropping all over? You know that one's expensive, right? So yes, Frank's a little bit more expensive. So I know that all of you would definitely ask your parents before you took to any of the essential oils and to start to make your own recipe. And you might have to give them a little extra assurance that you're going to be very smart about using the Frank and the Cami, because both of them tend to be a little bit more expensive. So, but frankincense is well known for a bunch of really awesome benefits. We like it for healing skin, which is why we really like it for bloody lips and things like that. We like it for reducing the swelling in different places. So, so this also is very much used for when babies are teething or things like that. Okay, so yeah, and so Hunny-Bunny now already has the 3 and 3, right? You have 3 and 3?
Yeah.
Okay, so she's gonna start putting some fractionated coconut oil in here. She'll
All
top
the
it
way
off.
up to the shoulder.
Yep, we call it to the shoulder of the bottle.
This is the head. These
And
are the
why do you
shoulders.
need a little space? Why did you say?
Because we need to shake it.
That's right. How many times do we shake it before it's
30 times.
33 times.
Oh, 33
Yeah, Desiree Mangan
times.
Dog says it has to be 33 times, and after that, you don't have to worry about shaking it again. When fractionated coconut oil, or if you guys just want to use a jojoba oil or something like that, that's totally fine. You can even use olive oil from the kitchen if you're in a pinch. It may color the aroma of whatever it is that you have in there, but it is totally fine. It does absorb into your skin really well. You're not going to want to use like a canola oil or corn oil or something like that, though. You want to keep it something that's
That is
very
natural
pure and natural.
and
Yes.
pure.
Yeah. All right. So we have that fractionated coconut
and
oil
here
in
is
there.
a
Oh dear. Can you find it? Okay, so while Hunny-Bunny looks for it, I'll tell you a couple more details about what we use this for. Actually, if you can come up with some ideas, I don't know.
We can use it for scratches and bug bites and help us think better. And we can use it for bloody lips and any other bloody places.
And moms, if I assume that you may be watching this as your kiddos are putting together this recipe as well, you also will love this because it does add to reducing irritability and helping kids be a little bit more compliant or definitely calming. In my personal family, I don't really love lavender so much, but Roman chamomile is amazing for calming and keeping people who are very, very, very active to be like less active and less crazy. And so really like this, she's going to give her little tip about this particular roller top, which goes in a little funky.
So this one is kind of hard to put in. So we put it in a little bit and push it down as hard as we can. And put the top on and screw it down, and that will help it do it.
We found it was hurting our thumbs to try to put it in there, so she found that cute little extra tip. So that's good, and
then you shake it.
We shake it 33 times. And okay, so remember, guys, always clean up after yourself. Don't leave any of the oils out. If your mom keeps them in alphabetical order, go ahead and put them right back how they're supposed to be, okay? And here's the other thing, you gotta put a label on this, because when you're like feeling frantic that your friend is bleeding and you're trying to get your washcloth ready and come out and help them, you're not gonna want to like lead through and be like, what's this one? I don't know, I'm not sure that smells like cinnamon. No, that's not it. What's it? Okay, you're gonna want it labeled Frankin-Cami and know that Frankin-Cami are gonna make it better, right? Okay, so here's one more time to see the recipe for you guys, and we will see you guys next Monday for Make It Monday, and you guys can check out the YouTube channel under Amanda Dumas, or you can take a look over at the Facebook group called Enamored with Nature Oil Education. All right, see you guys around. Stay courageous and keep loving your oils. Bye.
Bye.